And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Saturday evening, everyone. We had a warm afternoon as high temperatures reached the low to mid 80s. Lots and lots of sunshine, very few clouds streaming through, and we should see an increase in clouds for tonight. Right now it is cool as the temperatures are in the 60s across the region. 65 in Rio Grande City and McAllen, 66 in Weslaco, 62 in Raymondville, and 67 in Port Isabel. Temperatures will dip into the lower 60s for some parts tonight. There is that chance for some patchy overnight fog late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Again, we'll see increasing clouds later on this evening, up to 64 degrees at 8 a.m. Watch out for some patchy fog for early tomorrow morning, and there is that chance for some spotty showers, especially for the first half of the day. We're going to put in a 20% chance of some showers. This is thanks to a weak frontal boundary dipping into the valley. Temperatures back to the mid 70s at noon. It is mild for tomorrow at 5 p.m. with the temperature 73. We should see some more sunshine, especially for the mid to late afternoon hours. So there's a frontal boundary right now stalled out over central Texas. It should start to sag southward overnight into tomorrow morning. And this is one of three fronts, actually. This is pretty neat to see. They're not very cold fronts, but another front should arrive on Wednesday and perhaps a third one by Friday of this upcoming week. Look at the temperatures right now. 63 in San Antonio and Houston, 59 in Austin, 54 in Longview, 50 in Midland, 64 in Del Rio, and 47 degrees in Amarillo. So here is future track. Here's front number one. It should fizzle out over the valley by early tomorrow morning. And with that in place, we still have a slight chance for some showers tomorrow. They're the key words. Not much cooler for your Sunday with high temperatures in the upper 70s. We were in the low to mid 80s today. A tad cooler tomorrow, but not that much. As I said, as highs are back in the upper 70s. And then it warms back to the 80s for Monday and Tuesday. And here's front number two. This front number two comes in perhaps by Wednesday. We'll throw in a slight chance for some showers Wednesday and Thursday. And behind that second front, the highs are back to the upper 70s on Thursday. But then with front number three on Friday, we could be looking at high temperatures by Friday of next week in the lower 70s. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast shifting to the north at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 1:15 tomorrow afternoon, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. Spotty showers are possible offshore tonight into tomorrow as well. So for tonight, more clouds late. There is that chance for some patchy overnight fog with low temperatures in the lower 60s. Then for tomorrow, we'll keep in a 20% chance of some showers, especially for the first half of the day. Partly sunny. I think some more sunshine by the afternoon. And again, not as warm as today with high temperatures reaching the upper 70s. So here's that 7-day forecast. The warmth does return for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday as the highs return to the lower 80s. It should be dry Monday and Tuesday, and then at this point we'll throw in a 20% chance of some showers Wednesday and Thursday. Again, the second front comes in Wednesday. The models have been disagreeing on the timing of this next two fronts, but we think that at this point the front for number two should be coming in on Wednesday. The third front comes in perhaps by Wednesday, so look at that. After a warmer first half of the week, the highs return to the upper 70s on Thursday. Still, there's a 20% chance of some showers on Thursday, and then behind that third front, we could be looking at high temperatures right around 72 for next Friday. The morning lows dip back to the upper 50s for Thursday morning, and then lower 50s for next Friday and perhaps next Saturday morning. So a mix of warm and cool for next week. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.